The amazing world of fungi, more than just mushrooms. When you hear the word fungi, what springs to mind? Probably mushrooms, right? Those familiar capped figures popping up in forests or even on your pizza. But the amazing world of fungi is so much bigger, more mysterious, and more important than just the mushrooms we see. Fungi are a whole separate kingdom of life, as different from plants as you are from a daisy. They are nature's great recyclers, medical marvels, and essential partners for many plants. So, what are fungi really, and why are they so crucial to our planet? Let's pull back the veil on this hidden kingdom and explore 10 incredible things that make fungi truly fascinating and prove they are so much more than just mushrooms. 1. Fungi, Earth's mysterious middle kingdom. Not plant, not animal. One of the most mind-boggling fun facts about fungi is that they aren't plants, and they aren't animals either. For a long time, scientists thought fungi were a type of simple plant because they grow in the soil and don't move around. But digging deeper into the fungi kingdom explained, we find they are unique. Unlike plants, fungi can't make their own food through photosynthesis because they don't have chlorophyll, the green stuff. Instead, they are heterotrophs, meaning they have to get their food from other organic matter, much like animals do. However, are fungi plants or animals? Neither. They have cell walls, which animals don't, but these walls are made of chitin, the same tough stuff found in the exoskeletons of insects and crabs, not cellulose like plant cell walls. This places them in their very own distinct kingdom, a sort of middle kingdom between plants and animals, full of incredible diversity. 2. The Wood Wide Web, discovering fungi's secret underground networks. The mushrooms you see are actually just the fruit of the fungus, like an apple on a tree. The main body of most fungi is a vast, hidden network of tiny, thread-like structures called hyphae. When many hyphae grow together, they form a mat called a mycelium. This mycelium can spread for huge distances underground or through decaying wood. Imagine it like a massive, interconnected cobweb or a natural internet, sometimes called the Wood Wide Web. This network is how fungi absorb nutrients from their surroundings. The mycelium releases enzymes that break down complex organic matter into simpler molecules, which are then absorbed through the hyphae. Some mycelial networks are incredibly ancient and vast. One in Oregon, USA, covers over 2,200 acres and is thousands of years old, making it one of the largest living organisms on Earth. This hidden network is fundamental to the role of fungi in nature. 3. Nature's cleanup crew, the crucial role of fungi as decomposers. One of the most vital roles fungi play is as nature's master recyclers. This is a huge part of the importance of fungi to our planet. When plants and animals die, or when leaves fall from trees, fungi get to work. Along with bacteria, they are the primary decomposers in most land-based ecosystems. Their mycelial networks spread through dead organic matter, secreting powerful enzymes that break down tough materials like wood, lignin, and cellulose that many other organisms can't digest. This decomposition process releases essential nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus back into the soil, making them available for plants to use again. Without fungi, we'd be buried under piles of dead leaves, logs, and other organic waste. They keep ecosystems healthy and nutrient cycles turning, truly acting as the planet's cleanup crew and highlighting the critical role of fungi in nature. 4. More than mushrooms, exploring the incredible diversity of fungi. While mushrooms are the most recognizable form, the types of fungi examples are incredibly diverse, showing the vastness of the amazing world of fungi. There are estimated to be millions of fungal species, and we've only identified a fraction of them. Yeasts. These are single-celled fungi. We use them to make bread rise and to ferment beverages like beer and wine. Molds. These fuzzy fungi grow on surfaces, like the green mold on old bread or the blue veins in some cheeses. Some molds are decomposers, while others can cause food spoilage or disease. Mushrooms. Toadstools. These are the fruiting bodies of certain fungi, designed to produce and spread spores. They come in countless shapes, sizes, and colors. Puffballs. These release their spores in a cloud of dust when squeezed or hit by raindrops. Bracket fungi, shelf fungi. These grow like shelves on the sides of trees, often playing a role in decomposing wood. Rusts and smuts. These are plant pathogens that can cause significant damage to crops. This sheer variety means fungi inhabit almost every environment on Earth, from deep oceans to high mountains and even deserts. 5. A feast or a fright? The world of edible and poisonous fungi. Foraging for wild mushrooms can be a delightful pastime, and many mushrooms are delicious and nutritious. Think of morels, chanterelles, shiitake, or the common button mushroom. These edible mushrooms have been part of human diets for centuries. However, the world of fungi also has a dangerous side. Many species are highly poisonous. Some toxic fungi can cause severe illness or even death if eaten. Distinguishing between edible and poisonous mushrooms can be extremely difficult, as many lookalikes exist. There are no simple rules like, if animals eat it, it's safe, or poisonous mushrooms taste bad. These are dangerous myths. It's crucial to be 100% certain of a mushroom's identification before even considering eating it, ideally learning from an expert. This highlights why understanding the fungi kingdom, explained by experts, is vital for foragers. When in doubt, always leave it out. 6. Fantastic fungal friendships. How fungi help plants and create lichens. Fungi aren't just decomposers. Many are also amazing partners in symbiotic relationships, where different species live closely together, often benefiting each other. One of the most important examples is mycorrhiza. This is a partnership between fungi and the roots of most plants, around 90% of them. The fungal mycelium extends far into the soil, much further than the plant's roots can reach, absorbing water and crucial nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen, which it then shares with the plant. In return, the plant provides the fungus with sugars it produces through photosynthesis. It's a win-win. Another incredible fungal partnership is a lichen. Lichens are composite organisms formed from a fungus living with an alga or cyanobacteria. The fungus provides structure and protection, while the alga or cyanobacteria provides food through photosynthesis. This allows lichens to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from Arctic tundra to bare rocks. 7. Medical marvels. How fungi gave us penicillin and other cures. One of the most world-changing discoveries involving fungi was penicillin from fungi. In 1928, scientist Alexander Fleming famously noticed that a mold called Penicillium notatum, now known as Penicillium rubens, was killing bacteria he was growing in his lab. This led to the development of penicillin, the first true antibiotic, which revolutionized medicine and has saved countless millions of lives by treating bacterial infections. But penicillin is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to fungi and medicine. Other fungi produce cyclosporin, a drug essential for organ transplant patients to prevent their bodies from rejecting the new organ. Statins, which are widely used to lower cholesterol and prevent heart disease, were also originally derived from fungi. Scientists continue to explore the amazing world of fungi for new medicinal compounds, as these organisms produce a vast array of unique chemicals with potential therapeutic uses. 8. The fungal foes. Understanding fungal diseases in plants and people. While many fungi are beneficial, some can be troublemakers, causing diseases in both plants and animals, including humans. In agriculture, fungal diseases like rusts, smuts, and mildews can devastate crops, leading to significant food losses. You might have heard of potato blight, a fungal-like disease that caused the Irish potato famine in the 19th century. In humans, fungal infections can range from common, relatively mild conditions like athlete's foot, ringworm, which despite its name is a fungus, and yeast infections, to more serious and life-threatening infections, especially in people with weakened immune systems. Understanding how these pathogenic fungi work helps scientists develop treatments and preventative measures. It's another side to the complex fungi kingdom explained, showing that, like any group of organisms, there are both helpful and harmful members. 9. Future fungi. From eco-bricks to vegan leather, fungi's amazing potential. The amazing world of fungi isn't just about what they've done in the past. It's also about their incredible potential for the future. Scientists and innovators are discovering new ways to use fungi to solve some of our biggest challenges. Mycoremediation. This involves using fungi to clean up pollution. Some fungi can break down harmful chemicals like pesticides, oil, and even plastics. Mushroom materials. Mycelium can be grown into molds to create sustainable, biodegradable materials for packaging, insulation, building bricks, eco-bricks, and even a type of vegan leather that is surprisingly strong and flexible. Sustainable food sources. Beyond edible mushrooms, fungi like Fusarium venenatum are used to produce mycoprotein, such as corn, a protein-rich meat substitute. Biofuel production. Some yeasts and other fungi are being explored for their ability to convert plant matter into biofuels. These innovations show that fungi could be key players in creating a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. It's an exciting field of ongoing research. 10. Become a fungi detective, safely exploring the fungal wonders around you. Now that you know some fun facts about fungi and their importance, you might be inspired to look for them yourself. You can find fungi almost everywhere, in forests, parks, gardens, and even on old logs or compost heaps. When exploring, remember, look, don't touch or taste. As we learned, some fungi are poisonous. Admire their beauty and take photos, but never eat any wild fungus unless an expert has identified it as safe. Notice the details. Observe the different shapes, colors, and textures. Where is it growing? Is it on wood, soil, or leaves? These are all clues to its identity and role. Get a good field guide. A local fungi guide can help you start to identify common species. Consider citizen science. There are many projects where you can contribute your fungi observations to real scientific research. Exploring the world of fungi is a fantastic way to connect with nature and appreciate the incredible biodiversity that often goes unnoticed, right under our feet, and sometimes over our heads. The Kingdom Fungi is truly a realm of astonishing diversity, hidden power, and vital importance. From their role as nature's recyclers and essential partners for plants, to their gifts of medicine and potential for future innovations, fungi are far more than just mushrooms. They are an ancient, fascinating, and indispensable part of life on Earth. Further reading. Top 10 astonishing facts about nature and biology that prove life is stranger than fiction. Understanding ecosystems, a simple guide to how nature connects. Top 10 reasons why plants are far more amazing than you think. If you're excited to delve deeper into the amazing world of fungi, here are a few books that might capture your interest. Entangled Life, How Fungi Make Our Worlds, Change Our Minds and Shape Our Futures, by Merlin Sheldrake. A fascinating and beautifully written exploration of fungi for a general audience. Mushrooms Demystified by David Aurora. A comprehensive field guide, more for serious enthusiasts, but amazing for learning about mushroom diversity. The Hidden Life of Trees. What They Feel, How They Communicate. Discoveries from a Secret World by Peter Wolleben. While about trees, it has excellent sections on the role of mycorrhizal fungi. Fungarium. Welcome to the Museum by Esther Gaia and Katie Scott, a beautifully illustrated, large-format book that provides a great overview of the fungal kingdom, suitable for all ages. Mycelium Running. How Mushrooms Can Help Save the World by Paul Stamets. Focuses on the practical applications and ecological importance of fungi. The Kingdom Fungi is an astonishing, vital, and endlessly fascinating part of the natural world.